Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $85,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, center armrest. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.